Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dapo Ibrahim. I know it's been a while since we've all been together, to do one or two things together, especially unboxing a new product. But this time around, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing an unboxing and also a test flight. And yeah, how was things been with you guys? Like I said, it's been a while. And in my life too, things has been going on decent, can't complain. All glory be to God, because this is the Fly More package. So yeah, this is it, DJI Neo. So we just want to do like a quick unboxing, and then later on I will be doing a test flight, so we'll see how this thing really does fly. I've read a whole bunch of reviews about this, and it took me a while to just, because I was thinking of FPV drone, and I've been considering the DJI Avatar 2, but this is a good one. So pretty much it's just gonna be something that I'll be using to train for when I'm officially getting myself the professional or the pro FPV drone. So I want to see this, how it works, how it functions. I want to see how I'm going to like it. And before coming on here, definitely I've seen a whole bunch of videos on how this thing really operates, using the hand gesture command, using the goggle, the entry goggle, I believe that's what's called, and then the hand controller. So I just want to see how this is going to work, and then see how much we love it, see what the flight is looking like. I was looking for a drone that could do everything, which is very difficult. The camera on this one is not as good as the camera on the DJI Flip, according to what I've been seeing online. So I was actually considering the DJI Flip, but the DJI Flip doesn't have the FPV. So I was like, okay, this is not a bad deal regardless. This was what came to my mind. The Flip was actually cheaper than the Fly More package for this one, but I was like, okay, I could still train with this one, and then eventually I'm going to also get the DJI Flip, and because I believe with the sensor on the DJI Flip, I could get like better night shots with that. So I'm going to really have the two, and then eventually I will be getting the DJI Avatar, maybe the DJI Avatar 3 or the DJI Avatar 360. I think that's still on the waiting list to be released. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so it's sealed. We're gonna break the seal. I always have my box cutter because, of course, I work in retail. So if you work in retail, you always have a box cutter because you're always cutting boxes. And I want to see what we can do with this thing. So of course, this is the drone. It is super light. This is the drone. It's super light from what I can see. Oh, also, it's something that you could literally take off from. You could do flight takeoff from your palm, and then you bring your palm, and then it comes back on, right there, right back on your palm. So this is the first thing that we have, the drone itself. Let's see the next thing. Okay, these are all just boxes. Trying to see to make sure there are no hidden cables. Anyway, all right. So this is just a box. Put this over there, and this is something. Okay, so this is the one that's going to have like a whole bunch of cables. So let's see. Oh, we're dropping stuff. So this is a common cable. This is the USB Type-C cable. Definitely, I have like dozens of those in the house. Now this is the hand controller. Yep, like this. Yeah, I can see that. So I believe your hand goes in, and then to go forward you lift it, to come back you lift this, and then to turn this and that. Well, looks decent. And I believe it also has a power button, record button on the side, and power button as well. So that's that. Let's see what else we have. Oh, by the way, the drone has this thing. I believe it's a transmitter that lets it, this one right here, it's attached to it. It lets it fly. Oh, let's make sure. Okay, so this lets it fly up to 6 miles away from, you know, takeoff point. This is the camera. Has a camera cover. All right, let's not break anything. Well, let's see. Oh boy, this is bad. All right. Oh yeah. So you just press it, and that's the camera. You can see that. And let's put this back on. Okay, it just snaps on and off. Now this is extra fan in case maybe the blade breaks. Makes sense. Actually, it's two of them, two extra blades. And let's see this. So this is the manual, comes with the manual. And two extra batteries. So this is the battery charger with two extra batteries. I mean, yeah, let's see. Okay, see, yeah, it has a battery on it, definitely, and then has two extra batteries. So we have 3 batteries. And also, I believe the battery life for this thing is between 12 to 19 minutes. Most of the videos I've seen online were from 12 minutes. And then, so there was a video that actually said it was 19 minutes. And one of the video was 12 minutes, but then they said it depends on the wind disparity. So regardless of if it's super windy and there's a lot of pressure on the drone, then it runs out of battery fast. And if there's no pressure on the drone, then I believe it's gonna last longer. I'll say 17 to 19 minutes, which is decent. Let's see what else we have here. So this here is I think that's everything in the box. Now this is, this right here is the magic thing. So this is what we wear. This is what we wear to have the view. Looks like something from a sci-fi movie, right? Like Ready Player One. Okay. So now this is what you use to get the FPV view. Stuff. Okay, so this is this. And I believe that's everything inside the box. That's everything inside the box. Okay, so none of this thing is charged. So before we use this, it's much more advisable that we make sure we keep these things charged. So I'm gonna go charge this, and then we'll come back to flying. We'll test run the flight. Oh, by the way, for the sake of this video, let's do a quick test run on this. See what can come up. And before you do this, you want to make sure you have the DJI Fly app on your phone. So let's see. All right, so it says unactivated. So I need to activate it, I believe. So we're going to come back to the video again. All right, so I had to charge the battery for a while. So the battery was charged for roughly 2 hours, and it's fully charged. So now we're going to take flight. But according to them, they said you could take flight from your palm. So here is it. And you need to have the DJI Fly app. Even though they said you don't need the DJI Fly app. This is my very first time trying this thing. And I believe it's a beast. Yeah, so let's see what we have here. First, it's gotta connect. I'm going to take the camera off. And let me see if it's connected on the app. Because that's just showing me. Alright, so you could use a tool button from the side to do that. Alright, this button here. Oh boy, I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. Okay. Oh, now it says. Perfect. So it says follow. I'm gonna show you what it's saying, just in case. So right there. Oh, you can't see it. Whatever the case is. So it's on. It says follow, and this is all. I don't think this is touchscreen, but whatever the case is, now you could do the palm takeoff.
Rear, follow, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, that was the first flight.